Go kgaoga go go tsweletseng ga motlakase go ama bengdikgwebo kwa masepaleng wa Mbombela. Lenaane la tsamaiso ya go kgaolwa ga motlakase la atoloseditswe go diura tse di fetang di le 7. Se se kgoreletsa tsamaiso ya dikgwebo.
We have lost everything in our fridge because of load shedding. And now our TV and microwave were also damaged by load shedding. We are not making any profit.
Go lefelo lengwe la kgwebo gaufinyana le le leng fa lefifing.
Today, we think it's going to have electricity for about 3 hours. So business is going down, very, very down.
Jaaka ile paka ya meletlo, lephata la tsa bojanala le tshwenyegile.
The likelihood that you will be affected during peak hours is so much greater. That's your between 5 o'clock in the morning until about 9 o'clock, where people have to eat breakfast, they have to shower, they need hot water, all of that stuff. And you either have to have a generator running in those times, which is ridiculously expensive.
The city was out of power for longer than 6 hours. When we met with Eskom, they could not even give reasons as to why the prolonged outage. But they indicated that that will be investigated.
Legato la borataro le le rulagantsweng la kgaolo ya motlakase le solofetse go tswelela go fitlha ka moso.